This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can update the aircraft firmware or check for firmware updates on this drone. So to start, make your way to the GoFly interface of the DJI Fly app on your remote controller or smartphone. Next, launch settings. Go into the About category, and here you'll find the aircraft firmware. In front of it, press Check for Updates, wait for the system to check the version, and as you can see, I have some update I can install. So let me also show how to do that. So simply tap on the Update button, read the changelog if you're interested, and then press Update. And now we'll need to wait for quite a while for this update to be downloaded and installed, since as you can see there's a bit over 2 gigabytes worth of new firmware available to us and for us. So yeah, it's going to take a while. So let me quickly let me just go ahead and pause the video or speed it up. So I'll get back to you once the download part is finished. So eventually, after about 20 minutes worth of downloading and installing the updates, my drone's firmware has been updated. So let's go into the About section and confirm it real quick. So we'll check for the aircraft firmware updates, and as you can see, now it is all up to date. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.